In this video, I'll show you how I made hair accessories for Padme Amidala's picnic dress. That outfit she wore on Naboo in the second episode of Star Wars, The Attack of the Clones. My styled wig that I bought already had the bonnets, but unfortunately I didn't find the floral headband anywhere, so I had to make it myself. Although I tried to make the headpiece as close to the original as possible, not all the colors I found are matching the original colors, so if you can find a better fit at your place, go ahead. First, let's measure our head. I'm doing it on the mannequin just for display purposes, but of course it's better to put the wig on your head and then measure the length of the headband there. For me it's something around 50 centimeters, but I decided to add 10 to 20 centimeters on top, just because at the moment I wasn't sure what kind of buckle I wanted to make. So I'm marking and cutting 70 centimeters of the yellow elastic ribbon, 2 centimeters wide. That will be our base and it will be completely covered, but I still chose yellow in case of any gaps. Also, I immediately burned the edges of the ribbon to avoid fraying. But please be extremely careful with the fire, especially if you're underage. Please don't do it alone at home, because fabric can flame up very quickly, you can really see it. After that, I took a cord in gold color and used small rubber bands and burned the edges again to prevent fraying. I'm making the cord slightly longer than the yellow elastics, so I don't sew fraying ends. The next step is to set up the sewing machine and pin the cord to the elastics so it doesn't move while I'm sewing. I tried different sewing modes, but unfortunately neither of them looked good, so I switched to manual sewing. It was a bit tricky and took me longer to finish, but in the end I think it looked better with less noticeable stitches, as you can see. After that I took the 6mm wide elastics of that brownish or beige color and sewed on 2 bands according to the reference. Then I realized that the elastics are too flat in comparison with the cord, so I applied 2 layers. I simply glued the second layer of that beige elastics on top with fabric glue, so you can see the stitches, and it actually looks more neat. After they were glued, I pressed down the elastics with sewing clips and left them for a night. You actually don't need that much time in my opinion, but I was going to bed anyway, so it was convenient just to let the glue settle for longer. And the last step of making the headpiece was to glue those little satin roses to the band. It was probably one of the most enjoyable and easiest parts of crafting, although the glue wasn't that great in setting and I had to wait for a while for it to dry. After that, the only thing left was decorating the wig's ponytail with colorful ribbons. It was also very nice and easy, as you can guess, so I was all set to cosplay Padme. In the next video I'm gonna show you how I adjusted the corset and you can see Padme's whole outfit. Don't forget to subscribe for more sewing, crafting and makeup tutorials.